morning, everyone, and welcome to another vlog. I don't know what day it is today, but anyways, it is about 11 and I woke up maybe like 10 minutes ago, maybe 20. I figured out why my eyes were hurting. I was tired, and it's because Francisco likes to go to sleep very extremely late, and I stay up with him, which is my fault. So I told him starting today I'm going to sleep earlier because I can't live this life of a 20-year-old when I'm not. So I slept in today because also yesterday I had the brightest idea of opening my sunroof and coming out of there to record our little light, what was it called? The drive-through Christmas in the park, whatever, light show. And in the moment it sounded like a good idea, but then today I realized that it wasn't because my throat hurts. So I made myself a hot tea with honey, and that's what I'm gonna have for breakfast with a piece of toast. Francisco's having some oatmeal, and yeah, and I decided just to sleep in and see if I could. I know you don't recharge, but I was just really tired. So hopefully today I can go to sleep at a normal time so that tomorrow I can wake up normal. Anyways, I just wanted to say good morning and show you guys what I'm gonna have for breakfast. All right, so here I have the tea, which is brewing. We buy the leaf breakfast, English breakfast tea. So these are leaves that you put inside the little tea filter, and then you just add to water, and that has honey. And then that's my toast, and I'm gonna have it with this that I forgot that I had in the freezer. This is liverwurst, and I grew up on this stuff. I know to a lot of people this is probably disgusting, but I grew up with it, and I know that this is probably not even the best brand to have, but I'm gonna have to go on a hunt after this one's over for like a healthy version of this, because there has to be some type of version out there that's healthy. But yeah, I grew up with this. Did anybody else grow up with this? Because I did, eating this all the time, and I adore it. I love it. And I just busted out some chicken breast so I can defrost them for today's soup, because that's what's on the menu, but it actually works out perfect because I have a sore throat and I don't feel so hot. So this will bring me back to life. Hello everyone, it is about 3:30 p.m. and I'm still editing my video, so fun times. But I decided to take a break to start dinner because I like to let this sit a little longer, because I feel like so what I'm gonna make is chicken soup, and I like to let it sit a little longer just because I feel like the chicken gets nice and tender and soft instead of just rushing it and the chicken just being soft. I like it to fall apart in my soup. I don't like it when it's just soft. Here I have half an onion that I diced up. Here I have carrots that are shredded already, and these are from Whole Foods. So I think it's like half of what came, so it's 10 ounces, so I'm just doing half of that. I have some frozen celery, some corn that I'm gonna throw in, and then here I have the already defrosted chicken that I've been thawing throughout the morning. All I do is just add cold water to the frozen chicken and switch it every 10 minutes, and that helps you defrost it super easy. I love doing that. And in here I'm gonna saute the onions with the carrots, and then I'll add everything else. All right, and for dessert, we're gonna try this one from Trader Joe's, the mini Brie and Croûte. I don't think that's how you say it. The creamy Brie cheese filling wrapped in puff pastry. We're gonna have it with jam, like they're showing there. I think that's jam, because my friend said to have it with jam, so I'm gonna have it with jam. And I have the oven preheating at 400, and here are the puff pastries before they're cooked. So I'm gonna throw those in the oven for, what did it say? 20 to 22 minutes, and then you have to let it set for 1 to 2 minutes. All right, guys, here are the puff pastries. Now I'm gonna let them set for a couple minutes, but they look so cute. I actually was not expecting them to look like that. So a little bit of exploded, but I think they'll be just fine. They're gonna be square.